Hello. So I'm gonna show you the things we had bought yesterday and just now moments ago. So yesterday I bought this Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle based car, 70s van. It's Leonardo based car there for the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. You can buy all these other ones as well. Next time I'll buy Michelangelo one. So yeah. I hate to ruin the packaging because it looks nice, especially blue being my favorite color. But I gotta open this. Awesome. Blue is my favorite color, as I stated before. And out it goes. Check it out. Kawabanga it says. Kawabanga. Kawabanga. Looks nice and awesome. Very nice. Ninja Turtle Leonardo blue car. Awesome, y'all. Like it. I will buy the others to collect them all. Starting with this one. And when I do, hopefully I do, I'll show it with you here on the channel, so stay tuned. Gotta place this right here next to the Spider-Man themed little car. This baby book, baby touch book. I touch and feel the book of colors here for her. There's a little sample. You can feel it soft. So yeah, we got her this book. I'm gonna go give it to her now. I bought this Five Nights at Freddy's, the graphic novel, The Fourth Closet. I'm pretty sure a lot of you already know what this is. If you played the game, it's a popular one that you can play on your phones and other devices. But this is the graphic novel, so I can't wait to. It looks pretty interesting, so I cannot wait to go through it. Also, bought this bucket. This time is farm animals. Same bucket, same brand as I previously bought ocean animals sometime a year or so ago, and prior to that, dinosaur bucket. Now is farm animals. Let's open it, y'all. Red top. Some trees. A horse. Very nice, like the ones you see in the parade earlier this month. If I would have a bull. There's the bull with the horns and all. Very nice. And I like that I can make the fence or the gating of the barn. Very cool. Some bad sheeps there. A ram, or yeah, I think that's what they're called, the ram, the one that has the horns a little crooked like that. I'm pretty sure they're called rams. A little javelina, a little pig. Very nice. Oink oink. A gray goat here. Awesome. Lots of different farm animals. Another horse. A cow. Put out the milk. A turkey for Thanksgiving, y'all. Very nice little turkey. What else? Another pig. A much larger pig than the first one. So good, that's a different size pig. You can say this is the mother pig. a boy cow with the horns there or whatever. I don't know the difference. It's a bull, a black and white cow bull. I don't know what's the difference. I don't know my animals. Those different Zootopians. Another one right there. Cow. I have a bunch of animals, y'all. Taken out from the bucket. Another a baby goat or whatever this is. Go put it right there next to the mama or whatever. A little tiny baby horse next to the parents there. What else? A cock-a-doodle-doo, a rooster, red roosters. A little tiny goat. A little lassie dog. A little lassie dog. Very nice. Different animals we got here. Even a little small kitten. You naughty kittens. Another baby goat. That's a little bit bigger than the other one. So it could be the brother goat. I don't know. A second red rooster there. That's much larger. Little baby pig. Very cute. Oink oink. A little kitten. Another cat. Right there, we can't add them. Next to the dog. Another chicken. A girl chicken. A hen. And another chicken, rooster, whatever you want to call them. And another pig. To make some ham and bacon, y'all. Lots of pigs. Another wow wow of a dog. Ruff, ruff. Put it right here. A baby ram, goat, or whatever. Put it right there. A duck. A duck over here with the bird family. Almost done, y'all. A second duck. Put it right there. And last but not least, a little tiny white rabbit, Peter Rabbit, or whatever you want to call him. Very nice. So those are all the farm animals, I mean. Pigs, roosters, goats, kittens, even dogs, and the gate in here. Very nice.